Over the last sections you have really learned a lot, and I want to make a quick recap in this lecture because there is a lot to digest. You have learned what the Microsoft Copilot is, how you can get access, how the technology behind Copilot works, and also how Microsoft is simply a partner from OpenAI and they make API calls to OpenAI to bring every single thing in their interface and in their apps. Then we learned how we can use Copilot completely for free in the web interface. After you mastered the web interface, we have also learned how we can use Copilot in Microsoft 365. And we also saw some free alternatives. So you basically learned how to use Copilot in Excel, in Word, in PowerPoint and so on. And we even took a look at the GitHub Copilot to write your code. After that we developed some chatbots. But the Copilot Studios was a little bit expensive, and because of this I gave you also some alternatives. And after that section we saw that Copilot has also some competitors, and we took a brief look at all of them. So you have really learned every single thing, also how you can write the prompts in all of these tools to generate text and images, and because you know how to create this, we also took a look at ethics, copyrights and data protection, because this is really important. So in this manner, if you haven't done it yet, at least log in into the free Copilot interface and watch the next video, because the next video is the last video in this course.